kabila ng busy schedule, tuloy pa rin ang pagtulong ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 Michelle D sa individuals with autism spectrum disorder o ASD. This year, muling magkakaroon ng aktibidad para sa kanila na tunay na malapit sa puso ni Michelle. Makichika kay Athena Imperial.
Patuloy ang advokasya ni Miss Universe Philippines 2023 and sparkle artist Michelle Marquez D sa pagtulong sa individuals with autism spectrum disorder o ASD. Bago pa siya sumali sa beauty pageants, sinusuportahan na niya ang Autism Society Philippines o ASP. Malapit sa puso ni Michelle ang advokasyang ito dahil may ASD ang dalawa niyang kapatid.
It's more on motivation to use what I have and the gifts that I have been given by God to help my brothers and to help the platform.
Hiling ni Michelle, sana raw ay mas mabigyan ng suporta at karampatang serbisyo ng ating gobyerno ang mga nasa autism spectrum tulad sa ibang bansa.
That also includes removing some of the financial burdens from the family, because that's something I've noticed abroad where there is financial support and all of these systems in place to help the families go through it, whether that's education, whether that's healthcare.
Ang hiling niyang ito nakapaloob sa National Autism Care, Support and Inclusion Bill na nais maisabatas ng tulad niyang advocates at organizations tulad ng Autism Society Philippines.
The bill that has been approved on the Senate floor is actually for a plan. So it does not include the details of it, but instead it provides a framework so that we can have a long-term, detailed, responsive, and flexible plan to address the needs of our community.
My appeal to the lower houses, sana ipasa na natin because this is definitely long overdue. The only thing that's stopping them from getting the necessary care and needs and provisions is for government to actually pass it and make it part of the system.
Sa gaganaping Angels Walk for Autism sa SM Mall of Asia Arena sa April 26 ngayong taon, positibo si Michelle at ang ASP na mahihigitan ngayong taon ang 40,000 na dumalo last year. At hindi na lamang sa Maynila magkakaroon ng walk.
This time po, we will have 12 cities simultaneously holding the Angels Walk for Autism on April 26. Yung pong Angels Walk for Autism, isa pong patunay na ang ASP from a simple family support group ay isa ng nationwide movement, pambansang kilusan.
Athena Imperial updated sa Showbiz Happenings.